Hello everyone. Our items today is a natural Chevrolet Garnet pear 2.40 carats. It experienced the vibrant beauty of this exquisite natural Chevrolet Garnet pear from Tanzania. It's celebrated for its rich, vivid green color and exceptional brilliance. Often considered one of the rarest and most desirable green gemstones in the world. Chevrolets offer this stunning alternative to emerald with superior sparkle and durability. The gemstone is natural Chevrolet garnet, weight of 2.40 carats pair, origin Tanzania and prices 1,600 euros per pair. It perfectly matched for fine jewelry creation. This Chevrolet display outstanding color saturation and clarity, making them ideal for elegant earrings, rings, or custom luxury design. A rare first of natural green treasure, brilliance, durable, and surely unforgettable. Thank you for watching.